teach you about WordPress. Okay, so first of all you need to go into it, okay, and then you need to download WordPress. Download WordPress and hit enter. Okay, so you get a WordPress site. You have to go on this site, and you're supposed to download WordPress version 6.8.1. okay, and once you click here, so your download will start. Okay, and then you can download it and you can put it in your folder. This kind of zip file you'll get. Okay, you just can copy this, you can put it in your project folder like this, and you can extract that file. Okay, so once this file will get extracted, this file got extracted. Okay, now you can just copy all this and cut it in your main root folder. Okay, so for example you have this as root folder, you can copy here. Alright, and then you have to hit enter on your project. Okay, you can go here and just hit enter over here. Okay, your project folder in localhost. You can do one more thing, you just can go here, www, and you can go on WordPress and hit enter. Copy this here and you can hit enter. Okay, so let's just wait. It's taking more time than usual. It should not take this much of time. So in your case it will come immediately. You can see the drop down of WordPress. Okay, where you're supposed to select the language. Okay, yeah, you can see now you've got the language selection here, and you have to just go and continue. Okay, and then let's just go here, and database name, you have to create one database and you have to name it. Suppose it's WordPress. Okay, and the username is root and password is blank by default, and just go for submit, and then you can run the installations. Okay, so once the installation is done, then your WordPress will get installed in your local server. Alright, you can give your site a name. Let's just give it WordPress, and for login let's just give it admin as username, password, so it's admin not unique password. Okay, and your email ID xyz@gmail.com. You can give it anything. Okay, whatever you want. Yeah, so now you got it. Now you're supposed to log in. Password is admin and admin. Okay, and you can log in from here. So this will land you up in a WordPress backend. Okay, where you can see your WordPress backend, and I'll show you the front end also. Once if you go in a backend, you can navigate to front end. I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is the WordPress backend. Here you can see, okay, you got all the options over here in the left side. You can see a post. Here all posts you can do, add post you can do, categories you can find, tags is there, okay, media, whatever your media is there, you can find this, okay, media library or add media file you can add over here. Pages you can see, you can create the pages, you can see all the pages, you can add the pages, comments, okay, appearance you can go and upload the themes, add the themes in these theme options. Plugin, for example, if you want to enhance the WordPress functionality, you can go in plugins and install the plugins and all this, okay. Users, all users you can see here, you can use the you can add the users here, you can see the users profile and your profile, okay. Tools here, tools you got the tools like available tools are there, import is there, export is there, site help is there, okay. And this theme file editor you can see here you got, okay, and all these other options is there. And front end, okay, so this is the WordPress backend. And once you go here and you can see here, you know, on drop down is coming visit site, where you click here and open in the other, you know, tab, you can see the front end over here, it's loaded, okay. By default in WordPress you see blog as a front end, okay. By default WordPress blog is loaded, okay. So if you want a page to be loaded, so you can just go and you can go in setting, you can go in grading, and you can change the setting from blog to pages, okay. So I want a latest pages, and you can select the home page. For example, I've got a sample page, okay, and I'm selecting sample page and I'm doing save changes. So as soon as I do the save changes, so things will be reflected in the front end, okay. I can see here the sample page will be loaded here, okay. Sample page you can see here, yeah. So this is the sample page, this is the WordPress, okay. We have started WordPress. So this is the basic about the WordPress. This was about the backend, and this is about the front end. Thank you guys. Okay, and one more thing, yeah, sorry. If you want to change the theme, if you want to change the look of this front end, you can just go in this appearance and theme option, and you can choose the themes. There are free themes also, there are plugins, and I'm sorry, premium themes also, okay. So you can here, you can go already WordPress by default they give you free themes 2025, 20